Is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hello, Toca mushrooms. So I'm at the spa right now, because if you know, yesterday was very, just stressful. I'm gonna fill my cup up, drink the soda pop. I don't know what to call it. I don't actually know what it is. But yeah. So this is our last day on the cruise ship. Sad. But I think Matilda's happy because what happened yesterday. Gonna drink that. Okay. I filled it up again because I'm like really thirsty. But this is a really great spa. I am gonna go down and go get some popcorn because I'm a bit hungry. The candy was really good. I'll go down and get some popcorn later because I only have a bit left in the spa. So I put that in there. This is very relaxing. But yeah, I'll go down now and get popcorn for snack because like I said, I'm very hungry. Oh no. Oh my gosh, that looks bad. This popcorn is so good. Oh, I dropped it.
Hey ma'am, would you like a free spa? It's free, like right there.
Sure.
Okay, follow me. Come sit, lay right here. Okay, I'm just gonna stand right here. Give you some privacy. Okay, so put some of this. Put some of this. And some of this.
How are you putting shampoo on me?
Of course not, I'm a professional. That was very rude. This is the most relaxing part. Did you like that?
Do I seriously have to clean up all of this? This is crazy. This is just absolutely... He's not a professional. This is just... Daddy, I really like this place. It's very cool. But why'd you dress me in this? It's just a great outfit. What do you mean? It's kind of silly. No, it's not. You're rude. Daddy, I'm leaving. I don't want this cat. Can we adopt this cat? I just love my new friends so much. They're great. You know? This is my bunny and this is my cat. Very cute, very cute. Can I get 1 ice cream and then 2 pet ice creams, please? Sure. Here is the first ice cream. Oh, wow. Okay. Anyways, here's a second pet ice cream for your pet. And here's the third one for... Matt, you gotta pay. No. What, yeah. I'm running away. I'm a criminal. Why is the boat shaking? Oh my god. Daddy, why is the boat shaking? Daddy. Oh my gosh, the boat is literally shaking. No, why are you guys running away from me? You're supposed to be my friends. Oh my gosh. Daddy, the boat is shaking. Matilda, the boat is shaking. No kidding. Mommy, I want mommy. Daddy, what we gonna do? Guys, it's fine. It's just shaking. What do you mean? It's just shaking. Yeah, no kidding. Why is the boat shaking? This is really weird. Maybe it's just normal or something. Hey, dude, where are you going? I got a fin for myself. What you mean? It's shaking. You can't just jump out. You'll die. No, I won't. Bye. Did he just push me? What the heck? Okay. I can't swim. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. Mommy. Mommy, I see you. We gotta go to Mommy. Oh, my gosh. Why was the boat shaking like that? This is crazy. Well, now we're stuck out in the middle of the ocean with nobody to save us. But, wait, just give me a baby. Give me a baby. 'Cause I know you can't swim. Well, so give me one of the babies, Nathan. Thanks for Ruby. Okay, so we need to go find some land. There's a bunch of seals up on there. Oh my god. Nathan, are you okay? Nathan, are you okay? You're under the water. Oh my god. Jeez. It's getting dark. Oh my god, we're going under. We're going under. That was stressful. Anyways, we gotta get over there to the land. There's a light. Well, that is great. I hope it doesn't go out. I guess we just got to stay here. Oh, there's a coconut. Are you hungry, Matilda? Yeah? Okay. Here's a coconut. Try to break it. But I can't. That's not fair. Oh. Well, I guess you did break it. But anyway. Let's just eat the coconut and sleep.
This phase wouldn't last, but boy, you still got my heart beating fast.